Hi, today I want to do a big product store review. Bigproductstore.com is a PLR website. PLR stands for private label rights, and they offer a lot of different products in a lot of different niches. And so if you're thinking about joining some type of PLR site or getting products from a PLR site, there's a few things I want to talk about that are important, and then we'll take a look at the bigproductstore.com website. So what you need to consider when you're looking to buy PLR products or perhaps join a PLR site to access products from them. Number one, you want to make sure that they have products from a variety of niches. Now, this may not be too important if you only focus on one niche, but a lot of people that work online actually focus in several different niches, so you might do a little bit in health and fitness, a little bit in self-help, a little bit to make money online. And so you'd like to, if you're using PLR products and getting them, then make sure where you're getting them from can cover all the different niches that you work in. So you need to consider that. Secondly, you want to make sure they have a variety of products. So, that could be ebooks, it could be articles, it could be email swipes, videos, audio, but a variety, okay? Not just one type of product. You want to make sure that they are current products, okay? There's definitely some sites out there where you can tell these products are old. The graphics are old, the formatting, the appearance, and it just doesn't look very professional. Now, they may be helpful if you're going to totally rebrand them, but if you want to use them, more or less in an as-is condition, then they need to make sure they're current. The other important thing with whatever site you're looking at getting PLR products from is that they have some longevity, that they've been around for a while, that they've been online, that they're not just some, fly-by-night operation that's here today and gone tomorrow. And then lastly, you want to consider what is the pricing structure. There are some PLR sites where you can just buy one-off products. That does tend to be the more expensive way to do it. There are some PLR sites that have a membership option where you pay monthly or yearly to have access, but you got to keep making that payment to have access. And then there's sites like bigproductstore.com that do offer a monthly payment, but they also offer a lifetime payment. So let's go. Here we are on bigproductstore.com website. And, a couple things that we talked about, right? You want to make sure that they are having a variety of niches and products. So let's take a look first just at the types of products. Now, bigproductstore.com does have two different membership levels. One is kind of their standard products, their standard membership. And you can get products, audio products, templates, graphics, contents. These are like articles, etc. Video products, ebooks, WordPress plugins, themes, tool scripts, and others. So, a really nice variety of different type of products that you can get. They do have their Big Product Store exclusives. Now, this includes all the standard products, but you get some exclusive things to Big Product Store. Now, again, these are different types of products as well. So, you just have to make a decision if you want a standard versus their exclusive membership. You do want to make sure they have lots of products. So as I say, over 10,000, I think they're actually over 15,000, and they add new products every day. They've been online for over 10 years, so that's the longevity. They're definitely not a fly-by-night, and they don't limit your access or downloads as well. So they've been releasing products since 2012, so that's pretty nice. They keep adding new products all the time. So here, this is February 16th is the day I'm recording this video, and you can see what they uploaded today. Some animated business quotes, other animated business quotes. Here's a video marketing packet that consists of videos, a video marketing pack that it looks like is a ebook. Yesterday, an education magazine, music yesterday. Some quotes yesterday, but as you can see, they keep adding new things. Yesterday, here's some health video ebook, health video quote pack, And so you can see just, a variety of different niches. That's important. A variety of different types of products. As you can see, there's quotes, there's ebooks, there's video that they've added recently. And then they've been online for over 10 years. So they're kind of hitting all the things, right, that we're looking for. Let's go ahead, and I am going to log into my account, and we'll just take a little bit look around. Now, I have the regular membership. Okay, I joined before they had this exclusive option, so I could upgrade. But right now, what I'm finding everything I need in just a standard membership. They do have some free products. Now, obviously, these are more limited, but you can find them. You can sort by product, so depending on what type of products that you want, video, audio, etc. You can search by the different type of license that each product includes. And then a lot of times I just come in and search by a category, or a niche, right? So maybe I want to see what kind of paleo products do they have. So here's some paleo products. This was added, looks like, this again might be a little different, so you'd have to open them up and see, but this was added last November. This was added August 20th of 2020. Here's the video portion that goes with the book. This is a pack. This is probably different articles. So they have some different paleo. Now again, this one looks a little older, right? So again, you're kind of looking for new things. You could certainly rebrand it. So that's paleo. Let's say you're doing the keto, right? So what do they have for keto products? 10-minute keto recipes. Here's some ketogenic food and recipes. Here's a video version of their ebook down here. Bulletproof keto diet. So again, quite a bit of different types and products that you can search for. Okay, and they basically, if you go to the Join Big Product Store now, then and you scroll down, it's basically just going to tell you that, again, they have two different membership options. The standard monthly option, $20 a month. You have to pay every month. Unlimited access. You're not paying per product. You have access to everything in the standard product line, and you can cancel anytime. This is what I got. I got the one-time payment. It's $98.50 lifetime. And then boom, I don't have to pay anymore. Unlimited access to the entire standard offerings that they provide. So to me, this is kind of a no-brainer, right? Because if you're paying $20 a month, after 5 months, here you are. So if you plan to use this for more than 5 months, the one-time payment for the standard is probably the way to go. And then this is their exclusive product. So the monthly is $30, the one-time is $200. And again, the difference is you get access to all the standard products, but then you have access to their exclusive products. So I hope this helps you understand what you're getting with Big Product Store, and I think it's great. I've used it a lot. I have made some different videos on the channel that you can look at that talk about how to use PLR, the PLR products I get from Big Product Store, and convert those into either rewrite them and make new ebooks that you could upload and sell, or to use the PLR that I get from Big Product Store and convert those into videos then that I put on faceless YouTube channels as another way to make money. So lots and lots of ways to use PLR to make money online. And if you're looking for something, again, that's going to kind of tick all these boxes, offer products from a variety of niches, have a variety of different types of products, make sure products that are actually current, make sure the site's been around so they're going to be there when you need to go get products, and make sure they have the pricing structure that you're looking for. Then I would definitely encourage you to go check out bigproductstore.com. I'll leave a link below in the description box so you can go take a look at that. If you have any questions, definitely leave me a comment. Thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if not, and then please remember to subscribe if you haven't already.